rumor has it, allegedly, right?
Please. Allegedly.
They said that Selena Gomez died 2019. And what we're seeing now, they clone. But on a normal day, one would just hear this and be like, another conspiracy, right? But these people have been serious about finding the facts that surround this. So there's been videos where people have been comparing and contrasting, right? So Selena Gomez has a tattoo, or had a tattoo at the back of her neck, down to her back, right? Very bold, very big. It's a proper tattoo that's been there for like God knows how long. Suddenly, since 2019, 2020, realized that, and this new person came on the scene, we realized that there's no more tattoo there. Tattoo has vanished.